hitting the bottom right corner to open up a new note. Go ahead and click the camera icon and then choose Scan Documents. So what you will want to do is you'll want to scan your pictures that you want. I'm going to want this to be the whole picture. It was picking up just the pink paper there. So what I did is I can move the corners. I'll hit the Keep Scan. I'm going to turn my page right now. Let's say this is some more work here. This is just an example. So there we are. Once again, it's not reading the corners very well, so I can move that, hit Keep Scan. I can choose now a new one. If you have a full sheet of notebook paper, I bet it will not do this. It's doing this because it's picking up those cutouts that I have. I hit Keep Scan. And then I just want to show you this. So then if I just take a picture here, see how it got the whole paper? It didn't have those cutouts. So then I hit Keep Scan, and then what I'm going to do is choose Save now in the bottom right corner. So here we have our 4 papers. Okay. If you want to, you can hold down the scan. Let me do that again. Hold down the Scan Documents there at the top. It's like the title. Then I can choose Rename. Once I hit Rename, I might want to say, name it whatever the assignment is. If it's a quiz, I could say quiz number 1. Hit Save. There it is. So now I need to get it to my Google Drive. So in the upper right hand corner, I'm going to hit that arrow and I'm going to move it. And if I want to move it to my Google Drive and I have it installed on my computer or on my phone, I can hit the Google Drive app. I can choose which one. I'm going to choose my South Lake Carroll one. And then I can go and choose the folder that I want it to be in. If I just want it in my drive, I can just put it in my drive. I would highly recommend that you have a folder that is like a math folder, and you can put it in there. So I'm just going to say My Drive. I'll hit Save here, and then I hit Upload, and it will upload that into my drive. So that is how you take a photo or use the Notes app to scan a document, create a PDF, get it in your Google Drive, and then from there you can go into Canvas, upload the assignment or submit the assignment, and then you can find it in your Google Drive and just upload it that way.